Natasha, what brought you in today?
So I had surgery on my Achilles. I ruptured my Achilles in October and I had surgery in December. So I came in because I'm having like really bad stiffness in my Achilles and it makes me walk with a limp. So I came in to see how this will help me.
Yeah. Okay, so you said that you can't lift it up, so left foot first. Okay, go back again. Right foot. Okay, go back one more time. Do left foot again. Okay, and one more time.
Left again?
Right foot. Okay. Okay, do what you did earlier. So you'll go forward with your left foot as far as you can. Okay, so the way you move forward was the same way you did with your good leg. Did you see how big that was?
Yeah.
Okay, now do your right foot, okay? And your left one is matching. Yeah.
This is crazy. Now I can do heel toe.
That's great.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm excited for you. That's great. That was only one visit.
I know. It's crazy. It's good. After the treatment, I could step almost as far as I stepped with my good leg. And I am not limping anymore. Like, I am so surprised. I am in shock how much improvement I felt with just one session. I am pleasantly surprised. So before the StemWave, it was like a 9. Because, as I said, it limited my range of motion. And after the STEM, it's like a 2.
That's awesome.
That is
okay.
amazing.
And this is visit number 1. That's awesome. Okay.
I'm surprised.
Yeah, I'm excited for you. I'm so happy that we're on this journey to recovery. And we'll try to keep tabs on what's going on after your session number 10 and see where you're at that point.
Definitely.
Okay, thank you, Natasha.
You're welcome. I'm so happy I came.